point, then you get in the shower. And ultimately, once you put it on and since it's wrapped around you,
And then I made a mistake.
Jiu-jitsu match. Jiu-jitsu match.
Personally, don't think it's as big.
Sensor thing turned off.
Yeah, and then you're trying to find your way.
And I hit the bathroom door front. I'm like, oh, okay.
Protect the neck, son. Roll, roll.
Way over crashing the rock, and I hit the wall. Oh,
Man.
instant pain in my
Yes,
eye.
I don't think it's
But
Oh, Liz here.
I didn't want you to think that.
Joy is loving it.
That's right. They're hilarious.
Malachi called it the hugging game.
The hugging game.
Yeah. Shannon calls it wrestling. Malachi looks at it and says,
It looked like a Muay Thai clinch. That's what it looked like.
Malachi, play the hugging game with Shannon.
Hugging game.
Shannon's like, let's chase each other instead.
Oh, good takedown. Oh, don't let him take your back, son. Don't let him take the back. You gotta spin. You gotta spin. Go out the bottom. I think Malachi won that round. Shannon's just here for the party.
Are you a puppy? He was doing
Malachi,
this
you
the other
probably better
day.
enjoy
And he's like,
taking
doggy,
Shannon down
doggy.
now because
And
in
I was
a
like,
year
how
or
does
two,
Shannon know the
you
dog's
won't be able to
pants?
take him down.
Lauren.
He'll know the sprawl by 2.
Right, because that's in preschool, that's how you know that they're puppies. They all run around